Melbourne, the vibrant and cosmopolitan capital of Victoria, Australia, is a city that effortlessly combines history, culture, and modernity, making it a top destination for tourists from around the world. Nestled along the picturesque southeastern coast of Australia, Melbourne offers a diverse array of attractions and activities that cater to a wide range of interests. One of Melbourne's most iconic landmarks is the Royal Exhibition Building, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and its neighbouring Carlton Gardens. This 19th-century marvel of architecture hosts various exhibitions and events throughout the year, showcasing art, science, and culture. Nearby, the Melbourne Museum provides a deeper dive into Australia's rich history, Indigenous culture, and natural wonders. For sports enthusiasts, Melbourne is often hailed as the sporting capital of Australia. The city boasts numerous world-class stadiums, including the Melbourne Cricket Ground, MCG, and the Rod Laver Arena, where you can catch exciting cricket matches and tennis tournaments, respectively. Additionally, the Formula One Australian Grand Prix is held at the Albert Park Circuit, drawing motorsport fans from all corners of the globe. Melbourne's diverse neighbourhoods offer an array of experiences. In the heart of the city, you'll find Federation Square, a cultural hub that hosts festivals, concerts, and art installations. Nearby, explore the vibrant laneways, such as Hosier Lane, famous for its ever-changing street art. These alleys are not only a testament to Melbourne's artistic spirit but also home to some of the city's most renowned cafes and restaurants. Foodies will revel in Melbourne's culinary scene, which is a gastronomic melting pot of flavors from around the world. The city's diverse population has led to an eclectic mix of dining options, from authentic Italian eateries in Ligon Street to the bustling Asian markets in Richmond. Don't forget to experience Melbourne's famed coffee culture. The city is renowned for its world-class baristas and specialty coffee shops. For those seeking natural beauty, Melbourne offers easy access to stunning coastal destinations like the Great Ocean Road, where the 12 Apostles rock formations stand majestically against the backdrop of the Southern Ocean. You can also explore the nearby Yarra Valley, a renowned wine region, or visit the Dandenong Ranges for lush rainforests and panoramic views of the city's skyline. Melbourne's commitment to the arts is evident in its numerous theatres, galleries, and street performances. The Arts Centre Melbourne and the National Gallery of Victoria house impressive collections of art and host captivating exhibitions. The city's vibrant theatre scene is epitomised by venues like the Princess Theatre and Her Majesty's Theatre, which regularly showcase world-class productions. In addition to its cultural and natural attractions, Melbourne is known for its excellent shopping. Stroll down Chapel Street or explore the Melbourne Central Shopping Complex for a diverse range of fashion boutiques, designer stores, and quirky shops. The Queen Victoria Market is a must-visit for fresh produce, gourmet foods, and unique souvenirs. Melbourne's efficient public transportation system, including trams, buses, and trains, makes it easy to navigate the city and explore its various facets. Whether you're wandering through the Royal Botanic Gardens, taking a scenic cruise on the Yarra River, or immersing yourself in the lively atmosphere of St Kilda Beach, Melbourne has something to offer every traveller. In conclusion, Melbourne is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends its rich history with a contemporary urban lifestyle. With its vibrant art scene, diverse culinary delights, world-class sporting events, and natural wonders at your doorstep, Melbourne promises an unforgettable experience for tourists looking to explore the very best that Australia has to offer.